Alright, bring it in. Time to huddle up. Yeah, the game shall not begin. I'ma run it up the gut. I'm about to show you fucks how I'm winning, not pretending. You can step up to the plate, strike you out every inning. Yeah, I work with what I'm given, sleep on what I'm taking. Party with the rest, so my chest is always aching. Yeah, I'm big time blatant, so I'm understood. And if you didn't hear me, you'll be slumbering good. Bring the thunder to your hood, thoughts for your head. Sleeping on the queen, I'ma paint your pillows red. I'ma make your willow dread that she ever met ya. Removing all your photos, that's how much she respects ya. Listen to my lecture, I only try to teach. Yeah, you did your homework, but it's looking incomplete. The effort was too weak, so you will be defeated. I ain't Michael Jackson, but I'm telling you to beat it. Watch out, if you're in my way, get knocked out. Better step up and get smacked down, cause I'm in the mood to attack now. Watch out, if you're in my way, get knocked out. Better step up and get smacked down, cause I'm in the mood to attack now. Write this as a quote, I'ma leave you in the oaks. I will even leave a picture with the scripture for your folks. You was busy telling jokes, now you busy saying prayers, but nobody's gonna save you from the cats and the bears. Yeah, I hope you come prepared, I hope you pose a scare, I hope you challenge me if you think this is a dare. For I am super rare and it will be unfair. I'll make you shit yourself, go and change your underwear. I hope I make this clear, do not breathe my air. Me, myself, and I, nigga, never learned to share. I only learned to swear that I will live my life. So never interfere or you will the sacrifice. That is a heavy price, so think about it twice. You think you having fun with the guns and the vice? I'ma hunt you tonight and punch out your lights. I promise my bark is as harsh as my bite. Watch out, if you're in the way, get knocked out. Better step up and get smacked down, cause I'm in the mood to attack now. Watch out, if you're in the way, get knocked out. Better step up and get smacked down, cause I'm in the mood to attack now. Watch where you're walking, don't run into me. I'ma float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. I'ma cause such commotion, they'll guess a stampede. I'll say no, it's just Link, going ham on these geeks. I'm outlandish and sweet, on the canvas you'll bleed. I'm the man, so just plan to unhand the trophy. Yeah, y'all all is pussy, and that's all that I eat. And just like good dick, I'ma just put you to sleep. I am never discreet, I'm a dangerous freak. I am mostly docile till my anger is reeks. So stranger, keep peace if you wanna still breathe. If you really got beef, then just roll up your sleeves. You will fall to your knees and beg for mercy, cause when I get done, you gon' need therapy. You gon' seek out nursing, cause the devils curse me. If you battle me, it's a fatality.